Get points only if it is done correctly. If it is not done correctly, you may do 10, you may do 15, it doesn't really make a difference. The various things which we are seeing in the obstacles are not only how many points you are scoring, we also see how is your body limb coordination, आपके अंदर perseverance कितना है, अगर आपका time, आप ये तो इंतजार नहीं करते कि मेरा time खत्म हो गया, all those things. Okay, we'll tell you subsequently. Once we show you all the obstacles and how they are supposed to be done correctly, then we obviously are divided into batches. We'll start with the batch A. Others will go across the hockey field. एक batch obstacles करने के लिए आएगा. Today I'll just give you a little less time so that you get an experience of how it is supposed to be done. And subsequently in your curriculum, we'll be getting it included as one of your PT classes. कि सुबह के टाइम जो आप PT करते हो उसमें हफ्ते में एक दिन आपको ये obstacles भी कराएगा, है ना? Then you will become as smooth as possible. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Fantastic. So this is obstacle number 1, and the points you will score depends on the number of the obstacles. So this is obstacle number 1. How many points you will get? 1. Right? आवाज तो आनी चाहिए थोड़ी सुबह. How many points will you get?
1.
Fantastic. You have to run from that side. You have to run from that side. This is called double barrel. Double barrel or double barrel jump. Run from that side and jump over the double barrel on the pad. What is a single barrel for? This is for women candidates. So they will jump from this side, they will come from this side and jump over. Any questions, any doubts, anyone?
No, sir.
Yeah. कोई बात नहीं, doesn't matter. This line is just marked to show you कि यहाँ तक मतलब इसका sand गिरा हुआ है. अगर आप में से कोई जो अच्छा long jumper है, वो इसके पार भी चला जाता है तो even that's good actually, isn't it? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Fantastic. Turn left, move around, stand in front of the obstacle number 8. Get obstacle number 8. How many points will you get?
8.
You can climb from either of the side using the ladder. Climb from either of the side using the ladder. Go over the steps and turn down for the other side. When you are on top, you are supposed to stand and shout out your chest number loud and clear. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Come down from the other side. Can you see the color on the side of the steps?
Yes, sir.
You remember red color?
Yes, sir.
Any doubts?
No, sir. Sir,
Yeah.
so we can skip the stripe of the ladder.
Yes, absolutely. You can step, you can jump from top. Just be careful. Any other doubts?
No, sir.
Fantastic. Okay. Obstacle number?
7.
Obstacle number? 7. Tiger leap. Climb on the platform using the ladder. Once you are on top, you will take a jump or a leap. Hold the rope for a split second and then come down. Any doubts, anyone?
No, sir.
थोड़ा ध्यान रखना जब ये स्विंग कर रहा होता है ना, you need to control yourself, otherwise you'll touch the red color. Just avoid it. Yeah.
Sir, when we jump, we should just hold it for a second and then...
Hold it for a split second. Any doubts, anyone?
No, sir.
Next up. Vertical rope, simple. You have to climb till top and come down. Any doubts, anyone? You can climb second class, first class, third class, it doesn't really matter. कैसे भी कर सकते हो आप. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Next obstacle. Obstacle number 5. Tarzan swing. Once you have to climb on the platform using the ladder. Once you are on top, Satish sir is going to give you the rope. Hold the rope. जब rope पकड़नी है, थोड़ा अपनी height से ऊपर पकड़ना है. Okay? Can you see that red brick?
Yes, sir.
You have to cross the brick with your legs up to score full point. Okay? Yes. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Any doubts, anyone?
No, sir.
Obstacle number 2. Come on, yaar, aajo jaldi. Obstacle number 2. Balance beam. Climb from the left side. Go over the beam. And jump down. Okay? The correct way of doing it is, or the better way of doing it for you all is to have the balance properly. अपनी center of gravity maintain करके रखना, हाथ खोल सकते हो and put your legs like this. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt, anyone? No, sir. Go over this. हाँ जी बताओ.
Can we cross one?
No. यहाँ पे पूरा करके जाना.
No, sir. In a single step.
Comes. Show. दिखाओ कैसे करना चाहते हो. आ जाओ. जैसे भी करना चाहते हो. चलो.
Sir, while running.
हाँ रनिंग से ही आओगे. No, you can't do. You can't do. देख लिया. Just a word of caution. These offside using the ladder or the rope. Once you are on top, hold the upper rope and walk across the lower rope. अभी आप देखिए जैसे सतीश स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं. This is the correct way of doing it. Okay? And then you can get down. Rope use करके नीचे आना. Using the ladder or the rope. I suggest you all use the ladder to come down, rope to come down, because then it will save time. अगर आप ladder से आओगे, it will take little more time. But it is choice is yours. And when you are climbing, if you think you are very fit, you can climb using the rope or use the ladder. Yeah.
Sir, can we take jump from?
It's better that you just एक step नीचे आके jump ले. ऊपर से मत कूदो, एक step नीचे आके लो. ये रेत इतनी है, but हर जगह इतनी रेत शायद ना हो. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Number
3.
blind screen jump. Run from that side. Go over the ramp and jump over the screen. Any doubts, anyone? No, sir. Jump करते समय ये गिर जाता है. Does not matter. अगर आपका पैर लगता है, you can repeat it. By the time you repeat, this will be placed back. Any other doubt?
No, sir.